Most people think staying healthy after 60 means expensive supplements and complicated routines. But there's one simple green vegetable that does more for your body than most pills in your medicine cabinet. I'm talking about okra, that humble pod that's been quietly protecting people's health for generations. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful ways okra supports your body as you age, plus exactly how much you need to eat for real benefits. Let's explore why this overlooked vegetable deserves a place on your plate. Benefit number 1, strengthens your bones and prevents fractures. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes absolutely critical. After age 50, bone density naturally starts to decline, putting seniors at higher risk for fractures and osteoporosis. Here's where okra becomes your secret weapon. Just 1 cup of cooked okra provides an impressive 27% of your daily vitamin K needs. This fat-soluble vitamin plays a vital role in bone formation and helps your body properly utilize calcium. Research shows that eating foods high in vitamin K can help strengthen bones and prevent fractures, something every senior should prioritize. But that's not all. Okra also contains calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C, all essential nutrients for maintaining bone health. The calcium supports bone structure, magnesium helps with calcium absorption, and vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which gives bones their flexible strength. One study found that people who consumed adequate vitamin K had significantly lower rates of hip fractures compared to those with insufficient intake. For seniors, this could mean the difference between maintaining independence and facing mobility challenges. By the way, please support our channel by clicking subscribe. Benefit number 2, protects your heart and lowers cholesterol. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death among seniors, but okra offers remarkable cardiovascular protection. The secret lies in its unique fiber content and powerful antioxidants. Okra contains a thick, gel-like substance called mucilage. While some people find this texture off-putting, it's actually incredibly beneficial for your heart. This mucilage binds to cholesterol during digestion, helping to remove it from your body through waste, rather than allowing it to be absorbed into your bloodstream. Studies using okra powder showed significant reductions in blood cholesterol levels. The high fiber content, about 3 grams per cup, also helps lower harmful LDL cholesterol by binding to bile acids and removing them from your system. Additionally, okra is packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that provide multiple heart benefits. Research involving over 9,000 participants found that those eating a polyphenol-rich diet had lower inflammatory markers associated with heart disease. These compounds also help prevent blood clots and reduce oxidative damage to your cardiovascular system. For seniors managing high cholesterol or those wanting to prevent heart problems, incorporating okra into your diet could provide significant protective benefits. Benefit number 3, stabilizes blood sugar and supports diabetes management. Managing blood sugar becomes increasingly important as we age, especially since the risk of developing type 2 diabetes rises with age. Okra offers remarkable benefits for blood sugar control that every senior should know about. The high fiber content in okra, primarily soluble fiber, slows down the absorption of sugar in your digestive tract. This prevents those dangerous blood sugar spikes that can occur after meals and helps maintain more stable glucose levels throughout the day. Research suggests that okra contains compounds that may enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for proper blood sugar management. Studies have shown that okra extract can help reduce blood sugar levels and may even protect the insulin-producing beta cells in your pancreas. One traditional method that's gained scientific interest involves cutting okra pods at both ends, making small slits in the sides, soaking them in water overnight, and drinking the water in the morning. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest this okra water may provide blood sugar management benefits. The insoluble fiber in okra also takes stress off your pancreas by slowing glucose absorption from the stomach into the small intestine. This means your body doesn't have to work as hard to process the sugars you consume. For seniors with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, okra could be a valuable addition to your diabetes management plan. However, if you're taking metformin or other diabetes medications, consult your doctor first, as okra may interact with these drugs. Benefit number 4, boosts brain health and fights age-related decline. Cognitive health is a major concern for many seniors, and okra offers impressive neuroprotective benefits that could help maintain mental sharpness as you age. The polyphenols in okra have a unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, where they provide protection against inflammation, a key factor in age-related cognitive decline. These powerful antioxidants help protect your brain from oxidative damage and may improve cognition, learning, and memory. Research has found that polyphenols can help reduce levels of lactic acid and blood urea nitrogen after physical activity, while increasing circulating antioxidants like superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase. This means better recovery from physical exertion and potentially more energy for daily activities. The anti-inflammatory properties of okra are particularly important for brain health. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various neurological conditions, including Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. By including okra in your diet, you're providing your brain with natural protection against these inflammatory processes. Additionally, okra helps prevent the excessive accumulation of sugars in the liver, which can lead to fatty liver disease, a condition that's been linked to cognitive problems in seniors. Benefit number 5, supports digestive health and prevents constipation. Digestive issues become increasingly common with age, but okra provides excellent support for your gastrointestinal system. This is particularly important for seniors who may experience slower digestion or chronic constipation. The fiber content in okra promotes healthy bowel movements and helps prevent constipation, a common problem affecting up to 40% of seniors. The mucilage in okra acts as a natural lubricant, making waste elimination easier and more comfortable. But okra's digestive benefits go far beyond regularity. The mucilage helps coat and protect the lining of your digestive tract, which can be particularly beneficial if you suffer from gastritis or stomach irritation. Research shows that okra can help block the adhesion and colonization of H. pylori, the bacteria known to cause stomach ulcers. Okra also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for immune function, nutrient absorption, and even mood regulation. Studies have shown that the more fiber you consume, the lower your risk of developing colorectal cancer, the second leading cause of cancer deaths. For seniors dealing with irritable bowel syndrome, okra is particularly valuable because it contains non-fermentable fiber. Unlike some high-fiber foods that can cause gas and bloating, okra's fiber is gentle on sensitive digestive systems. The pectin in okra also helps bind to toxic metabolites in your digestive system, preventing their reabsorption and supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Beyond these 5 major benefits, okra offers several other advantages for seniors. First, immune system support. With 26% of your daily vitamin C needs in just 1 cup, okra helps strengthen your immune system, crucial for seniors who may be more susceptible to infections. Second, eye health. Okra contains beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein, which are essential for maintaining good vision and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Third, skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in okra support collagen production, helping maintain healthy, younger-looking skin and potentially reducing the appearance of age spots and fine lines. How to incorporate okra into your diet. Many seniors are put off by okra's sometimes slimy texture, but there are several cooking methods that minimize this. First, roasting. Cut okra lengthwise, toss with olive oil and seasonings, then roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until crispy. Second, grilling. Thread whole okra pods on skewers and grill for 3 to 4 minutes per side until lightly charred. Third, sautéing with acid. Add lemon juice or vinegar while cooking to reduce the mucilage and add bright flavor. You can also add okra to soups, stews, curries, or stir-fries. Frozen okra is available year-round and retains most of its nutritional benefits. Now, while okra is generally safe and beneficial, there are a few considerations for seniors. Number 1, if you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, discuss okra consumption with your doctor due to its high vitamin K content. Number 2, those with a history of kidney stones should consume okra in moderation due to its oxalate content. Number 3, if you're on diabetes medications, monitor your blood sugar closely when adding okra to your diet. What is the recommended daily intake? For optimal health benefits, seniors should aim to consume about 1 cup of cooked okra 2 to 3 times per week. This provides approximately 3 grams of fiber, 27% of your daily vitamin K needs, and 26% of your vitamin C requirements per serving. You can also try okra water by soaking 4 to 5 sliced okra pods in water overnight and drinking the water in the morning. Remember, consistency is key. Regular consumption of okra as part of a balanced diet will provide the most significant health benefits for seniors looking to maintain their health, independence, and quality of life as they age. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload a new video every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.